decided to change the lid hinge pin on your washer. It's a pretty easy job. All we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and a putty knife. Let me show you how it's done. The very first step in this repair is the same as usual. We need to disconnect the power supply to the appliance. Our next step here will be to raise the whole top so that we can gain access to the screws that hold the hinge in place. And with a putty knife, we'll come in about 3 inches. You'll feel a spring clip there. Just push in with your putty knife and lift up. Do the same on the opposite side. Now, while supporting the lid, holding it in place to the top, raise the whole assembly. Here's the location of our Phillips screws that hold the hinges in place. Just remove those. Keep in mind, hold the lid in place because you don't want to have that drop and damage it. We'll lower the top again. And we can lift the lid with the hinges attached. Now it's a matter of sliding the hinge off of the hinge pin and we can replace it. To remove the hinge pin, we'll take the Phillips screw, holds it to the lid, remove that. To install our new hinge pin, you'll note that there is a locator tab on it that lines up with the smaller hole in the lid. Force you to put the pin towards the outside of the lid. Reinstall our Phillips screw. Try not to over tighten so that we don't break the new part. With the pin in place, we'll slide our hinge back over the hinge pin and the tab towards the back. And now we can reinstall the lid to the main top. Now to reinstall the lid, we'll make sure that our locating tabs, the pins line up with the holes. Slide those into place, close our lid. And we'll raise the whole top while we're supporting the lid, holding it against the top. And we'll reinstall the screws into the hinge. Start them by hand first. And then with our Phillips screwdriver, try not to over tighten them. Now we can close our lid over the top. Make sure that these 2 locating pins on the top of the front panel line up with matching holes in the top. And our repair is complete. Told you that was an easy job. Good luck with your repair, and thanks for watching.